of course we doing business together, you know. Whatever business that is. I feel like rubbing the Birdman hands, you know?
Yeah, it's definitely a Birdman hand rub right here,
I
man.
love it when a plan come together.
Yeah,
but let's just say...
about 20 years in the making.
Yeah, if we did. Would you think, would you, since you're doing business, since we're doing business, who would you sell it to?
Right now, I just probably will hold on to it for a little while.
Like the Wu-Tang album?
Yeah. Exactly, man. I think I'm going to hold on for a little while. So we bought the Reasonable Doubt, you'll hold it for a little while. Yeah, I mean, what would you like to do? I mean, it's because you got to realize what we got in our possession, hypothetically in our possession.
Yeah.
It's a classic, man.